It's me, Tony B, and welcome to the Seattle College Access Network's See It, Be It. What is See It, Be It? We're going to tell you all about See It, Be It. I'm from Musica, and I'm joined by DC Productions, and we're excited to be here to show you about this unique job fair. Now, this is a job fair for high school students and for middle school students. It's a little different, though. There are over 100 representatives here showing what they do and how students can actually be involved. If you take a look behind me, you'll kind of see what's going on here. This is all taking place at Seattle City Hall.
Hi, I'm Dave Irons with the Port of Seattle Police Department. I'm assigned the Explosive Detection K-9 unit, and this is my partner here. His name is Izzy, which is short for Iskandar. He is an Explosive Detection K-9, and we are stationed at SeaTac Airport, and we look for explosives. And there are several members of our team, and our dogs are all trained to find explosives in and around the airport. Well, sometimes we're inside of aircraft, sometimes we're on the ramp area, sometimes we're inside the terminal walking around. So we spend our day looking for explosives. And now I'm going to hand you off to Officer Eric Miles, who's part of our bomb disposal unit.
I am Eric Miles. I work for the Port of Seattle Bomb Squad. This is one of our pieces of equipment, one of many. We couldn't bring all this stuff in because we have a large truck that's got robotics, x-ray capabilities, and all sorts of other dynamic tools. But all our bomb techs, we run a 6-man team. We're all HDS trained. That's Hazardous Device School out of FBI. And pretty much that kind of concludes what I want to really talk about our squad at this point. I'll hand you over to Tony Ewald, our dive guy.
Good morning. Anthony Ewald. I'm here for our department representing the dive and boat teams. A couple of equipment pieces we have here is our underwater remote operated vehicle. It allows us to dive quite a bit deeper than when our standard divers are allowed to dive, which is typically about 130 feet. This system here has several different sonar systems, camera, lights. It's got some distance measuring lasers, gripper arm, and the cable we have actually allows us to go about 600 feet. So it's got numerous different attachments that really enhances our capabilities. We primarily use it for under pier and under ship searching, things like that. Our dive setup here is pretty typical of local police and fire setups. We dive fully encapsulated out here in Elliott Bay, full dry suits, attached hoods, full face masks. We have attached communication gear, so underwater we can actually talk diver to diver and diver to boat, which is pretty cool. So that's kind of a snapshot of a few pieces that the dive and boat team uses every day. Thanks so much.
This is a one-of-a-kind event. Trust me, there are several different organizations and groups here, including Boeing, including Sub Pop Records. You can find out how to make 3D animation. PopCaps is here showing folks how they can also become involved in making video games.
Hi, welcome to the McKinstry booth. McKinstry is the largest mechanical electrical contractor in the Northwest area. Today we're showing a little bit about our company, specifically our design build capabilities. We've got a couple of videos to show the people coming to the booth. One is three-dimensional design of a canola oil plant that we're doing over in eastern Washington. This design actually takes you through, as my counterpart drives this model through, shows you what goes into designing a mechanical system. You can see the different pipes and duct in this building. The second thing that we're showing is a video of the BIM three-dimensional design going into what it looks like after construction. So this video takes you through and it shows a specific design, and then it dissolves into what it looks like in real life, so that you can kind of see how precise our industry is and how important it is to have a lot of upfront design and detail work, and how that transfers over to the project management and into construction in the field. And then the final video that we have is actually that same canola oil plant after construction, and we're actually doing a startup of the boiler system. At the canola plant, it takes an extreme amount of heat to turn canola seeds into canola oil, and we use steam boilers for that. So this is us purging the system. Some of the other things that we're talking about is McKinstry's ability we have an energy services group. So we're ESCO Energy Services Company, and we provide energy retrofits and upgrades to companies throughout the Pacific Northwest. The solar project on top of the CenturyLink, the event center there, that's our project. It's the largest solar project in Washington. And we're just kind of also just demonstrating different things that McKinstry does. We have architectural sheet metal. We're showing some pipe and some electrical conduit. And then we also have one of our projects where we did HVAC, mechanical engineering on, which was CenturyLink Field. And there's kind of some time-lapse photos showing the actual demolition of the Kingdome all the way through completion of the football stadium.
Hi, back here at the McKinstry booth. My great coworker Ryan just gave a great discussion about some of the great things we're talking about here today. But I wanted to talk a little bit about the people that make up McKinstry and some of the things that we do. We have, first of all, we have some amazing craft workers that work for McKinstry. These are skilled craftsmen, electricians, pipe fitters, sheet metal workers that were out there building some of the great buildings of Seattle. And those are some of the people that I really enjoy working with in my career. Where I work on the management side of our business, I came out of a school with a construction management degree. I oversee construction projects and really help pull our pieces together and make our clients happy. Another group of people that work for McKinstry that I really enjoy working with is our engineers, and the engineering group that makes up some of the great designs for buildings that we do. And so these are mechanical engineers, electrical engineers that are designing buildings, working with architects, and ultimately working with the building team. They're going to put the construction together. So, and what they're doing is really focusing on energy conservation in buildings. We need to look at energy conservation for our planet as we have some steep energy conservation goals that we need to meet. So, as Ryan talked about earlier, renewable energy sources and energy conservation are some of the things that we're very proud to offer.
Hi, I'm Candace, and I'm here with Musica Entertainment. We are here today at City Hall. We are currently here looking for interns to get out into the community. Musica right now partners with Seed, and it is a 100-watt radio station which broadcasts into the Rainier Valley Community Center community as well as the South Seattle community. And we're looking for our youth between the ages of about 13 to 18 to get out into the community to learn a little bit more about journalism, to get into the special events, and to let others know about Musica.
Hi, I'm Jimmy with Musica Entertainment down here at the Career Youth event in the Seattle Center City Hall. Today is a good day. It's a great turnout. A lot of students, a lot of people getting involved in this event is what we want to see. We're here to find an intern to perform journalism and learn photography in our digital media course. We have partnership with Seed to bring a low-power frequency radio station to the Rainier Valley community. That is a community-based radio station. So we are looking for interns for that program. We have had a pretty good turnout today. A lot of people are interested in this. So I hope everybody enjoys this, and I hope next year it's a bigger turnout.
Hi, my name is Keaton Carlson, and I'm with the Academy of Interactive Entertainment. We are a nonprofit specialty training school for the interactive media environment. That means video games and films, just about what every other kid wants to do. Our training programs include programming, which is specifically looking at C++, C#, and the C programming family anyways for developing video games, as well as 2 programs in art, one for film, one for games. Our school is located in the Seattle Center, right above the food court in the Armory. And we are happy to partner with Seattle Public Schools and actually offer their high school students, both juniors and seniors, some training programs within the interactive media environment. So they get to learn a little bit about programming, a little bit about art while they're in high school, and earn college credit as well as high school credit for them. We do some really fun events such as iFest, which happened last weekend, which is an independent game festival. And we love to give back to the community and really work with our partners here in Seattle to develop new core programs for interested minors and students.
Good morning. I'm here with the Coast Guard representing for the See It Be It Fair done by Seattle Public Schools. Just want to talk a little bit about what we brought today. We've got a 25-foot response boat small that is used for search and rescue here in Puget Sound, and also doing law enforcement boardings and PWCS missions. You've probably seen these boats out doing ferry escorts, which we use primarily also to just protect the waters that we have here. It's a 25-foot long, powered by 2 twin outboard engines that are Honda, 225 horsepower. Today we had an opportunity to talk to kids about joining the Coast Guard and some of the things that we do throughout the Coast Guard. Thank you.
One of the great values of an event like the See It, Be It Expo and Career Fair is it gives us the chance to give to students here in the area an opportunity to meet and be with and take a look at and actually experience careers that they normally would not have a chance to experience. This is something that's really important here in the area. Most kids have a really myopic sense of what they think they want to do when it comes to careers, and I've always considered it just as important to know what you don't like as it is to know what you do like. And here we've got 35, 40, 50 different types of business careers and industry careers that you can become engaged in. Here a student can have a chance to sample and test and meet people in a wide array of industries and businesses, and that's just a great opportunity that we want to have virtually every kid in the Puget Sound area have an opportunity to take advantage of.
You want to learn how to be a dentist? UW School of Dentistry is here. You can go to school and learn how to be a dentist. It's an incredible event. Have to say thanks to some folks who put this on, the Seattle College Access Network. This is the 3rd year. I also want to say thanks to the Community College System, Alliance for Education, and as well to Pepsi. Seattle Public Schools is a great partner in this as well. What is See It Be It? Well, See It Be It is an opportunity for youth to explore career opportunities. Not your normal career fair. This is a little different. Folks like Boeing are here, and they provide interactive opportunities. As an example, if you go see the Boeing booth, which is right there, right behind me, they have plane parts. You can actually start working on parts to a plane, learn how to put a plane together, learn how to build a plane, learn how to use the tools. And there's also a candy plane that you can build, and then after you've built the plane and flown it a couple times, you can eat it.
I want to thank all the wonderful people and presenters that came to this event. We had 100+ representatives from a variety of careers, and really it was just fabulous. Lots and lots of students, and they had a really good time. What we'd really like to do also is thank all the people that presented. It's in partnership with the Seattle College Access Network, Seattle Public Schools, the City of Seattle, Seattle Community Colleges, and other team members who participated.